make una see Papa Tope don't come again.
Who is your mommy? Don't call me. Don't call me at all. You will see. You will sleep there today. Will you stop crying? I don't want your noise. Stop it. Hey, hey!
What
I will beat you.
What has Tope done this time? Eh?
Don't mind. Your son is Olodo.
What? Olodoke?
Tomorrow now, you are the one who will say, he's done like his mother.
We all know that.
And you're the one who will say, he's big like his.
Hey, don't remind me of the past. The last time you said this. I almost...
Sorry. You don't know, the money that we are paying all this time is school fees. So, we are paying it for nothing's sake. It's a medical examination result. I've come out.
So?
It tests for malaria. Fail. Test for typhoid. Fail.
What kind of woman have I married?
We know. Oh, Tigbe,
What kind of woman have I married? Malaria, fake.